Hello, hello, hello. Good day to you all, and welcome back to more Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. Now, Tails got so maybe I should put in a Tails death counter, or maybe just a death counter in general, because apparently Tails catches most of the shit, as in falling down and getting eaten by wolves and ringing this death bell. What is that thing down there? Ooh. Oh shit, we woken someone up. Is that the Grim Reaper? Oh, good day, sir. Do you know where this tree is? Yeah, it's up there. Right past the zombie graveyard. Why is it called the zombie graveyard? Ha! It's just an old name, kiddies. Don't worry. Oh, are you leading us there? Oh, neat. Then let's ransack his house. I guess not. Oh, he's got to open the door for us. Wait, but there was something. But damn it, there was an achievement back there. I didn't know how to do it. I think there was an achievement back there. Because okay, look, I say that because the achievement icon that I'm thinking about has like a picture of a noose in it. Oh, I don't have a torch. Oh crap. Oh, this is no good. Might want to jump for it. Fuck. Oh yeah, that was a good idea. I'm sure he would have drowned in like 10 seconds. Follow the lantern. Hold on. Hold on, my. Oh no. Oh shit. Fuck. Okay, fine. We'll go this way. Don't get dashed on the rocks. Oh, okay, no, climb onto this. Yay, we are alive. Thanks for saving me, Sonic. Anytime, bro, anytime. We're gonna, oh look, there's another seat there. We can take a break from swimming. Oh boy, that was a little harrowing. I'm sure he would have just drowned. I applaud myself for my quick thinking, because nobody else is going to. Good job, me. Yeah, yeah. Alright, what's down? Oh wait, do we just continue? Oh no, we need to sit down though. We need to sit down. It's a ritual that we must do. Tails, get over here. God damn it, real quick. A space for two and you ought to sit down. Alright, what am I looking at? A nice river. That is a waterfall. Wonderful. Will-o'-the-wisps. Man, who put all these lanterns here? Where did they come from? Huh. Alright then. Oh, actually that's a nice clue. I shouldn't go take the right path. Alright. I'll take the left river path. God damn it, what are the controls again? Okay. It's not that I forget the controls, it's just that I forget which controls who. As I've stated many times, that's why I'm walking into walls a lot. Please. Okay. I guess we need to shimmy along the edge. This thing is gonna fucking break. Maybe we should... Actually, you know what? Maybe we should do this one at a time. Maybe we should do this one at a time. Okay. Yeah, this is a better idea. Much better idea. Don't look down, my... Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh wow, you really jumped in right after them, didn't you? Oh crap! I'm coming, my... Oh no! It's finally conflict! Oh shit! Ooh. That was fucking close! Man! Ooh! Jesus! I would have absolutely shit myself if that was my sibling. I have a little sister, so thinking of her in that position would have been absolutely horrifying. Whoa, whoa! Oh, wow, that was close. What the hell? What the hell are those things? Oh no! Whoa, hey, hey, whoa! No, don't look at me like that. I eat your food, boy. Stop! 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 Oh, jeez. Oh my god, they are absolutely staring at me. What the hell is this forest? I don't like this one bit. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, no, thank you. This is literally what the personification of the trees with the scary hands in the forest is, you know what I mean? Oh, that's a little extra. I didn't realize how close I was. Oh, can I just climb up here? Oh shit! Motherfucker, really? You didn't even want to eat me, you just wanted to kill me. Oh crap. My get over here, you shit. Come on. Come on! Don't you die on me just yet! That's for later! When the plot demands it if possible! Oh man. Poor kid, he is hydrophobic. This must be his worst nightmare. Ah, Tails, are you okay? Man, actually I keep calling Mai now because now I'm just connecting to the characters. Unfortunately, I can't call him Sonic and Tails by accident. Did you hear that? I was talking. I think. Son of a bitch! There's a voice calling my little brother's name. Is it the ghost of some dead pedophile? Please, God, no. Let it not be. Mai, you better stick close to me. I said stick close to me. What the fuck is this even? This is not a hallucination. It's for both of us. Is this my mother? This is our mother. How did wait? This is some ghosty shit. You might wanna bro, don't fall down backwards. That's a bad idea. Oh, wow, I'm not sure if that dad was there before. Wait, oh, can only I see this? Oh, okay, I can only control one now. Okay. Do I have to pull on a blade or something? Oh. Okay, Dad, are you alive? What? Whoa. What the hell? Oh, gee. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. What the fuck? Oh, no, no, Sonic, stop. Oh, God, I can't even joke about this. Jesus. Wow. That. Oh, this got dark real fast. Oh my god. That was. It would have been one thing if he just straight choked him, but he beat him first, so that's a little. He punched the shit out. He clocked the lights out of that kid. Good lord. Oh, are we out of there? What was that? The forest of demons? Good god. What was that even? That was no That was a simple hallucination. Oh, can I. Wait, why can I. Why am I able to walk into the water? Okay, just for funs, I guess. Okay, just for funs it is. Ah, that was a nice little dream sequence. Oh boy. Damn it, I feel like I'm missing out on something because I. Oh, there it is. There he is. Okay, no, I've got to save him. I've got to sing him a song. I can't leave him here. Yo, 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 no, 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 fuck off. No, 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 no. Mai, come on, quick, quickly, quickly, you bastard. Uncut that, cut that shit now. Oh, bro, are you okay? Christ. Oh, man. Yo, sing him a song. Wait. No, 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 no. There is something here. Wait, on this table maybe? No. Ah, jeez. Oh. Damn it. That is wife and kid. You know, I wonder if we should have maybe, just, let him be, let him be. I feel like we didn't do him any favors just now. Okay, wait, but there is something we can do here. I refuse to leave him here. Is this a hidden path, or I hope this isn't the way I'm actually supposed to go. Is it? I don't think so, right? Oh, actually, oh no, there's something over there. Yo, Mai, get that shit. I'll wait here for you because fuck that noise. Absolutely.
Hey, Naya! Hey, Naya!
What, do you want me to like come over there with you? Okay, I guess. Oh, okay, there we go. Mai, you really didn't need me to do this. Oh shit! Well, fuck. Looks like such little old Tails is gonna have to take some decisions of his own. Okay, oh, I am not sure which buttons I am pressing. Oh. Pick that shit up and let's move. Mai, can you Tails, can you move a little? Please, Jesus, okay. Hey, do this thing. God, that is terrible. Oh. At least I marked graves. You're gonna be okay, man? Okay, time to pay our respects for like 2 seconds, and time to save our own dying father. Because he's still kind of alive. So okay, you be good, okay? You be fine. I did a good deed. That warms my heart. That absolutely warms me on the insides and the outsides and all the sides. Even my actual sides, my left and right sides. What the hell? Wait, why is this an option? Oh, wow. This looks safe. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. I cannot believe he actually pulled that off. I can't believe that windmill was strong enough to hold his weight. I mean, rotationally. I know they're like strong enough in general. Oi, wind that shit up. Oh, okay, I get it. Neat. Wow, that's actually a pretty neat mechanism. I like that. That's very nice. But you can only close it from one side, though. That's weird. Very clever, very clever. Did you hear that? Is that more screaming? Oh, brilliant! There's a seat. Well, that's a good sign because it's actually time for an intermission. No, no, stop looking at it. Stop looking at it. Let Tails get in on this. I mean, my. Okay. So, thank you all so much for watching because now it is time for an intermission. So, I will see you in the next episode of Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons, where we'll probably find out what that strange fortress is for. So, thank you all, and good night.